Good morning, student. In previous two module, we have discussed human and resource. In first module, we have discussed about human. In second module, we have discussed about resource. In this module, we'll discuss about whole human resource management. Human resource management. It is what? It is organized system which manage a whole organization according to its rules, policies is called human resource management. Okay? Organized system है जो मैनेज करती है पूरे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को रूल्स और पॉलिसीज के हिसाब से, उसको बोला जाता है ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट. द सिस्टम विच कैन ऑर्गेनाइज बेटर वर्किंग कल्चर with the help of rules and policies is called human resource management. This is the simple definition. Now see, okay, and note down. This is the first person, father of human resource management, George Elton Mayo, 26 December 1880 to 7 September 1949. This person is called father of human resource management. This person thought first time about human satisfaction, and then human emotion, then human values required at workplace. So this person is called as father of human resource management. Human resource management take personal care of employee. Personal care. In other sense, human resource management, it is also called mother of organization and mother of employee. Human resource management को एम्प्लॉई की मम्मी भी बोला जाता है, क्योंकि वो मम्मी के जैसा केयर लेते हैं. ओके, मम्मी के जैसा केयर लेते हैं. आपको खाना क्या चाहिए, आप कहाँ बैठना चाहिए, आपका बैठना ठीक है नहीं है, आपका कंप्यूटर ठीक है नहीं है, आपका वर्किंग प्लेस क्लीन है नहीं है. ओके, दिस ऑल फंक्शन done by human resource management. Okay, so human resource management is also acting like a mother of the employee. Okay, so getting personal care of employee. Note down first point. Then second, training is the main function of human resource management. Giving training, improving skill. That skill may be harder skill or softer skill, and then improving that skill and selecting best out of all employees group, selecting best employee for best job or any vacant job, upper job. Okay, so motivating other for their own development. Okay, so training and selection is the one main function of this human resource management. And skill improvement and focusing also on performance management, managing performance, improving performance, motivating employees, encouraging employees, empowering employees, participating employees in decision making. We'll discuss in detail about this participation management and empowerment and everything. Okay, so it is the function of human resource management. Then they can design vision of the organization, mission of the organization, and values and rules and regulation of the organization. Human resource management design these three things. Design is one important parameter, and it is linking with the human values, and human resource management is directly tackling human values. So it is more easy to design vision, mission, and values for organization. It is easy to human resource management. It is more easy because human resource management is tackling human values. Okay, so vision, mission and values. आपने कहीं विजन मिशन पढ़ा है तो आपने तो स्टेटमेंट देखा है, नहीं देखा है तो देख लीजिए, ठीक है। और उसके बाद में बोलिए कि ये किसने बनाया होगा, तो कौन बनाता है, ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट डिपार्टमेंट बनाता है। ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट डिपार्टमेंट ही बनाता है, बिकॉज ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट इज डायरेक्टली टैकलिंग ह्यूमन वैल्यूज। ओके, so human resource management also tackling vision, mission and values. Human resource management can generate idea. Idea is not small thing. Idea can earn crores of money. Okay, so human resource management also generating idea. Okay, I am not saying production management, financial management and other not generating idea. All department are generating idea, and human resource management also generating idea. Okay. So new idea, it means it is creating a money, creating a wealth. Okay. So human resource management is working for wealth generation. And other thing, if human resource manager is giving training to other, and then other are getting training and earn something skill, it means what? It means that skill can give money, and if skill can give money, it means it is the outcome of what? It is outcome of training. If it is the outcome of training, then it is the outcome of function of human resource management. ट्रेनिंग देंगे, ट्रेनिंग देने के बाद में जो स्किल डेवलप हुआ है उस पे पैसा कमाएंगे, मतलब ये तो इनडायरेक्टली ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट का ही आउटकम हुआ ना। ओके, तो इस तरह से ये आइडिया जनरेट कर सकता है। ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट फोटो में देख लीजिए क्या कर रहा है। ओके, क्या कर रहा है, सीढ़ी लेके जा रहा है। ओके, सीढ़ी लेके जा रहा है, लैडर फॉर सॉल्यूशन। ओके, सो ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट कैन फाइंड आउट द सॉल्यूशन फॉर एनी प्रॉब्लम in the organization. Other department can find out the solution also, but this department find out the solution which is regarding behavior, which is regarding attitude, which is regarding quarrel, which is regarding conflict. Conflict is dangerous. Okay, quarrel is dangerous. सबसे धोखेबाज है ये। झगड़े होना या एक दूसरे का मतभेद होना, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में इस बातों को सुलझाने का काम कौन करता है, ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट। ओके, फाइंड आउट द सॉल्यूशन अगेंस्ट बिहेवियरल प्रॉब्लम्स। ओके, सो ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट इज टैकलिंग डायरेक्टली tackling directly human sense. Okay, so human resource management also supporting employees for their growth, supporting employees for their growth in the organization, because human resource management is acting like a motivator in the organization, acting like a motivator. ये इंसान ऐसा है, ये इंसानों का ऐसा एक बंच है जो इंसानों के लिए काम करता है, जो इंसानों के लिए काम करता है. इसलिए ये डिपार्टमेंट को एम्प्लॉय की मम्मी बोला गया है, हमने डिस्कस कर लिया है. ओके, सो सपोर्टिव फंक्शन ऑफ ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट प्रोवाइड सपोर्ट टू फिल द गैप. ओके, देन ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट कैन लीड फॉर चैलेंज. लीड करना इजी बात नहीं है. इट इज इजी? इज इट इजी? नो, नॉट एट ऑल. ओके, लीडिंग इज द डेयरिंग. मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा हूं कि झंडा लेके आगे बढ़ना है. ओके, जैसे चित्र में बता रहा हूं. ओके, मैं ये बोल रहा हूं कि कोई भी काम में आगे रहना है, यू मस्ट टेक इनिशिएटिव in your work. Okay, so it is about the taking of initiative. Leading means, okay, taking of initiative in your work. If you are taking initiative in your work, then if everyone is taking initiative, then organization will more powerful. Organization will more powerful. Everyone want to become a leader. Yes, if everyone want to become a leader, then organization will more powerful. Okay, because everyone is leading. And if everyone is leading, then it is not easy. Organization can grow very fast. It is not easy to stop that organization. Okay, so leading is the one best activity of human resource management, and human resource management can lead for others, can show the direction, can show the real doer for success to employee. Okay, so human resource manager is acting like a director. Okay, director in the sense showing direction. I am not saying director post, I am saying showing direction. Okay, so acting like a director can lead the organization toward the better growth of the organization. Okay, and also human resource management is struggling for gender equality. Gender equality is increasing in India. Good thing, increasing in India. Okay, read out carefully. Okay, I am saying gender in equality, not inequality. I am saying, okay, gender equality is increasing in India, and human resource management also working for gender equality. Okay, so these are the all functions of human resource management, and I have covered whole nature of human resource management in this lecture. With this, we will stop here. In next lecture, we will discuss about the next topic. that is Indian scenario and global scenario of human resource management. If you not visualize lecture number 1 and 2, please visualize. This is lecture number 3. Okay, please visualize that so you can understand better. Okay, so student, if you not subscribe, then subscribe channel and press the bell icon for better educational video on human resource management. Thank you very much.